Namaskar, Khusro Bitia. Myself, JVN Dr. Pramila Fazla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapith Women University. Today, our topic is proprioceptor. Proprioceptor are the receptors which detect and give response to movement and change in position of different parts of body. These receptors are also called kinesthetic receptors. Situation. Proprioceptors are situated in labyrinth, muscle, tendon of muscles, joint and ligament and fascia. Different proprioceptors. First one is muscle spindle. Second one is Golgi tendon organ, Pacinian corpuscles, free nerve ending and proprioceptors in labyrinth. Muscle spindle is a spindle-shaped proprioceptor situated in the skeletal muscle. It is formed by modified skeletal muscle fiber called intrafusal muscle fiber. Structure of muscle spindle. Muscle spindle has a central bulge portion and two tapering ends. Each muscle spindle is formed by 5 to 12 intrafusal muscle fibers. All these fibers are enclosed by a capsule which is formed by connective tissue. Intrafusal fiber are attached to the capsule on either end. The capsule is attached to either side of extrafusal fiber or tendon of muscle. Thus, intrafusal fiber are placed parallel to the extrafusal fiber. Intrafusal fiber are thin and striated. So, in this diagram, this is muscle spindle, extrafusal fiber, intrafusal fiber, capsule, nuclear bag. This cortical portion, this is non-cortical, and this is contractile portion. Extrafusal fiber, aponeurosis. Muscle spindle has two functions. It forms receptor organ for stretch reflex. It play an important role in maintaining muscle tone. Structure Golgi tendon organ. Structure of Golgi tendon organ. Golgi tendon organ is situated in tendon of skeletal muscle near the attachment of extrafusal fibers. It is placed in series between the muscle fiber and tendon. Golgi tendon organ is formed by a group of nerve endings covered by connective tissue capsule. Functions of Golgi tendon organ. Role of Golgi tendon organ in forceful contraction. Second, role of Golgi tendon organ in inverse stretch reflex. So this is diagram. Golgi tendon organ with nerve fiber. These are muscle fiber and this is tendon connected to muscle. Pacinian corpuscles. Pacinian corpuscles is a mechanoreceptor that senses pressure and vibration. It is situated in the deeper layer of skin. It is also situated in tissue surrounding the joint such as fascia, over the muscle, tendon and joint capsule. Pacinian corpuscles situated in this tissue are responsible for determining the portion of joints. Since Pacinian corpuscles is a rapidly adapting receptor, phasic receptor, it is very sensitive to quick changes in position of joints. So it is believed to send information about joint movement to CNS. Free nerve ending. Free nerve ending is a receptor for pain sensation situated in skin, muscle, tendon, fascia and joints. As it is a slow adapting receptor, tonic receptor, it is maximally stimulated at specific joint positions, so it is believed to send information about joint position to CNS. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.